screen too, so you can focus by just pressing my face.
You're on. Okay. Hi guys, this is Wolfgang Puck Pizza. We're at Rhode Island. Be up green. We're about to get on the flight to Edinburgh. That's all I know.
We are getting super excited. It has not hit us till now that we're leaving for Edinburgh. So, very exciting. So, I hope I get sleep on the plane. I'm going to eat this pizza and stuff my face and drink my wine and hope that I just curl up in a ball.
That's so cool.
Hello everyone. So we are officially in Skye, in the Isle of Skye in Scotland, and for the last couple of days we flew into Edinburgh and now we are in Skye. We visited some family in Edinburgh and then drove through Glasgow to Dumbarton and got a chance to spend time with family, which was much needed, and I met a lot of family that I had never met before. So I kept my camera off and I just kind of filmed little things. We were there during the Fringe festival, so that was awesome. I didn't take you guys around with me as much as I probably should have, but I was just really enjoying the moment my first couple of days here in Scotland. So we are officially in Skye now and we're going off on a hike right now, a couple hikes actually, and we're gonna go to a lot of the most important points in Skye and go see the really cool places and go hiking and go eat some good food, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me, so I'll see you guys soon. We are walking up the old man store. Very windy.
Hey guys, so we did so much today in Sky and it's so bright out right now. I'll show you out our window after I film this, but it was such a long day today. We started by hiking the Old Man of Store, which was such a challenge for me. I have really bad asthma, so hiking up something like that was a big challenge for me, and I proved to myself that I could do it. So we kept driving down this long dirt road, not dirt road, but a single lane road, and we ended up at the Fairy Glen, and that was absolutely stunning. It was one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen. We hiked around there and saw little waterfalls and everything, and then after that we went, where did we go? Back to the place I can't pronounce and hiked up a giant hill because the weather subsided and it was sunny actually for a while. It was such a challenge because I'm afraid of falling, so therefore I don't like cliffs. But I made it all the way up to the top of this cliff, which was the most breathtaking view that I've ever seen in my life. And a little something happened when we got to the top. My boyfriend proposed to me. Luke proposed, and I cannot believe it. We've been dating for 4 years, almost 5, and he did good. And so we're just chilling out at the house tonight, and we are just gonna cook some dinner. We stopped and got some steak pies at a little store, and we're gonna do that, and I'll give you guys a little tour of the property and the views now that it's sunny tonight. And yeah, so that's what we've been up to. Tomorrow is a busy day. We're gonna go to the Highland Games in Portree and walk around the shop, so I'll definitely take you guys around there as well. So let me show you this view.
be able to bring you guys in there, but show you it from the outside. Today is our last day in Skye, and we're really sad about it because we absolutely love it here. We did so much today. We started our day hiking East Point. The weather was absolute shit, but we made it work, and it cleared up as we were finishing the hike. And then where did we go after? We went to Dunvegan Castle. That was really, really cool as well. And after that, we drove all the way down to Talisker Distillery, where we did not get to do a tour, but we did get to take some scotch home. So Luke bought a few things, like sample packs of small bottles. He got 2 of them. So it has a total of 6 different kinds of their whiskey. So that'll be really cool to try when we get home. Then we headed to the fairy pools. The fairy pools were definitely one of the highlights of the trip. They were really, really fun to hike, and you had to hop over these stones in the water, which was a bit challenging and it was muddy, but we made it work and it was really, really beautiful. So that was super cool, and I got a lot of cool waterfall photographs and video. So really, really, really cool. So then on our way home, we went to Portree again, and we got some groceries because we have an awesome house with an awesome kitchen. So we're all gonna just sit and cook some dinner together tonight and just chill and finish all of our snacks and food that we bought on our trip. And then tomorrow, bright and early, we leave for Carnoustie. So we're going to go check out the golf course hotel, get some dinner for our last night in Scotland, and just enjoy ourselves. And then the next day we'll drive to Edinburgh Airport, return our car, and be on our way home. But let me show you guys what we got for dinner, because this looks so good. A margarita pizza. Looks absolutely delicious. We literally went shopping hungry, so this was not good. Tomato and lentil soup. This is what I'm the most excited for. Macaroni pies. Super excited. This combines like 2 of my all-time favorite foods. And then I don't know why, but I had some cravings for like spaghetti, so I got this little microwavable spaghetti thing. So we're just like all gonna split this stuff, and yeah. Oh, and then some stuff to take home with us, which I have not gotten all the chocolate that I'm going to get, because you better bet that I'm gonna get more Cadbury chocolate. But I got this because it's called cheesy pasta. Mac and cheese is one of my favorite foods, so I just liked that. I got some of my favorite milky buttons. White chocolate, of course. Luke got this Cadbury Dairy Milk Oreo sandwich chocolate bar. And then we got these little curly whirly swirlies. One of my favorite candies. And then I got for my mom, because she's obsessed with Bisto, I got her some Bisto, even though we probably can get that at home, but it's not the same. So that's all I got to take home so far and to eat tonight, but we're gonna go and enjoy ourselves in this beautiful night. The sky is clear right now. I'll turn you guys and look at our view again and just I'm just taking it all in because this is one of the most amazing places that I've literally ever stayed and literally ever seen. So, see you guys soon.